Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you the new feature for Portrait Studio for animals. So the Portrait Studio was previously for human face. However, it has now been upgraded in One UI 8 to support pet images, animal portraits, and avatars. So the system can detect pet facial features like eyes, nose, and ears and convert them into stylish avatar or portrait style effects in comic, sketch, and watercolor. So let me show you how to do this. So here we'll first go ahead and unlock the phone. We'll go into gallery, and here we'll go ahead and find some portrait images of animals. So let's just say, for example, this one here. Now we'll take this image and we'll take it through the Portrait Studio. So we'll go ahead and tap on Galaxy AI. Now we'll go ahead and swipe left until you see Portrait Studio. So as you can see, it has detected the dog as there is a square around it. Now you can go ahead and choose a studio, 3D cartoon, fisheye lens, oil painting. So I'll go ahead and choose a studio and I'll tap on generate. So as you can see, it has changed your background for your pet. You can go ahead and choose a 3D cartoon. Let's try a fisheye lens. And let's try the oil painting. So this is awesome for pet owners. It lets you capture and stylish your pet's photo creatively. So it's more fun. You have more variety in avatars, style portraits. It makes it sharing cute pet pictures more interesting as well. And it expands the inclusivity in AI avatars as well. So not just people, not just animals, also avatars. So there you go, guys. That is a new Portrait Studio feature for animals in One UI 8.0.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.